Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Summer Soap Company. I hope everyone has had a great week. We are on to the weekend now and ready to make another batch of soap, and let's get started. First, gonna start by checking my temperatures, and we're good here and good here. I'm gonna pour my lye water down the stick blender. All right, let's give this a good mix. I'm trying not to overmix this batch because the fragrance we're using today does say that it has some mild acceleration. Okay, that looks pretty good. We will finish by hand stirring. Okay, that looks pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and separate it now to a few different containers. All right, for our mica colors today, we're going with some white, some darkish blue, and then I've got two different shades of purple going in. The fragrance I'm using today is from Brambleberry, and it is called Blueberry Jam. I'm going for another Maine themed soap here, and blueberries are known in the state of Maine. All right, I'll get this mixed up. All right, I'm gonna start by doing a base of white, and then I'm gonna attempt to do a mini drop swirl. I'm also going to add a gold drizzle and see how that looks. And so far the fragrance is behaving very well. It's pretty fluid for the most part. And then back in with some blue. And a little more gold drizzle. And more white. Starting to get a little thick here, so I'm gonna try and speed things up a bit. And again with our gold drizzle. And we'll see if we can get one more layer going here. And I'm making a mess. A little bit more gold, because why not? We're going to finish off with our white. Get the rest of that in there. Scrape out the container. I do have to say this fragrance behaved pretty well. I was expecting it to just get thick on me, but it's looking good. A little bit of blue left. And we'll do another gold drizzle on the top and give it a little swirl. I think this is going to turn out so cute. I'm actually really excited to cut it tomorrow. Okay, that looks good. All right, we'll give it a tap on the table. Good. And the last bit of our gold. Let's see, what do we want to do here? Do a classic. And here is our finished soap top. It looks really good and it smells really good too. So we are gonna go ahead and let this sit overnight for 24 hours and we'll come back for the cut tomorrow. Okay, we are back about 24 hours later. This soap has set overnight, so we are ready to unmold and cut into bars. Okay, here we go. First cut. Let's see what the end piece looks like. Oh, that's actually cute. All right. And here is our first bar. I love it. It is so pretty and it smells so good, just like a blueberry pie. Or blueberry jam, just like the fragrance suggests. You can see the little streaks of gold in there. It's so cute. And here is our final slice. I hope you enjoyed the making of this video. If you did, please go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you in the next video.